This is the last video in the Getting Started with Primescan 2 series. In this video, we will talk about Primescan 2 maintenance and other resources.
Before we close it, I quickly want to provide you with a couple of helpful tips for your scanner maintenance and further resources around Primescan 2. Proper disinfection is key to maintaining patient safety. Start by cleaning and disinfecting the scanner holder using a lint-free cloth and approved agents, ensuring all surfaces are visibly clean and disinfected for at least 5 minutes. Please refer to the approved list of cleaning agents that can be found in the instructions for use. Clean the scanner body carefully, as it's a sensitive optical device. Always handle it with care and only clean with the battery or cable adapter is connected. Important reminder, use only recommended materials and follow the correct reaction times for disinfectants. Let's continue with another important point. Although Primescan 2 is factory calibrated, it's essential to recalibrate after any reinstallation or transport outside of the practice, not from operatory to operatory room. We also recommend monthly calibration as a best practice. When calibrating, make sure the scanner is securely placed in the calibration set and the screw is gently locked in place. For more guidance about calibrating your scanner, in Densquest Eurona's YouTube channel, you can find the Primescan 2 calibration tutorial. Finally, to support your journey with Primescan 2, visit our research hub to access webinar recordings, tutorials, scanning tips, instructions for use, and a range of other helpful support material. We have now reached the end of this training module. It has been a pleasure guiding you through the key steps to help you get started with Primescan 2. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and start putting what you have learned into practice with Primescan 2. If you have any follow-up questions afterwards, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local DS or dealer representative. Thanks again, and happy scanning.
That wraps up our look to Primescan 2 maintenance and resources, and closes the training series Getting Started with Primescan 2.